In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping address on Dhgate. We'll walk through the checkout flow so you can save your address correctly and use it on your orders without any hiccups. Start by going to dhgate.com on your browser or open the Dhgate app on your phone or tablet. Sign into your account so the address can be saved to your profile. If you're not signed in yet, tap Sign In, enter your credentials, and return to the home page. Next, add any product to your cart. Dhgate creates or edits addresses from the checkout screen, so this step brings up the form you need. Choose an item, add it to your cart, and when you're ready, proceed with Buy Now, or go to your cart and tap Checkout. On the checkout page, find the shipping address section and select Add New Address to open the form. Fill out each field carefully. Enter your full name as it appears on your ID or mailbox. Choose your country or region. In the street address box, include the building number, street name, and any apartment, suite, or unit details. Keep it clear and avoid unusual symbols. Type your city, then select your state or province from the drop-down if one appears. Add your zip or postal code and double-check it matches your city and state. Finally, enter a phone number that can receive delivery updates. If you're outside the United States, include the correct country code so the courier can reach you. Before you save, take a moment to review everything. Look for typos, missing apartment numbers, or reversed postal codes. Small mistakes can delay a package, so a quick check helps. When it looks right, select Save. You'll return to checkout where your new address appears. Choose that address for this order, then continue through checkout as usual. That's it. Your shipping address has been added and is ready to use the next time you place an order. If you shop from multiple locations, you can repeat this process whenever you need a new address. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you breeze through Dhgate checkout with confidence.